Hey guys, Joe Teti here. On the range, I want to show you a very cool transition drill. And for those of you that are like me, you know, you got that limited budget, you only have so much ammo. This is a great way to get your carbine and your pistol working together doing a transition drill. Transition drill is basically you're on your long gun, you either have a malfunction or you run out of ammo. In this particular drill, you're going to run out of ammo. You ain't messing around, you're not reloading this. You're immediately transitioning to your pistol. You're going to take one shot, reholster, you're going to bring your long gun back up, drop the mag, put a new mag in, and one shot. So it's one shot rifle, transition pistol, one shot, reholster, get your long gun back up, change mag, one shot. What's great about this drill, there's a lot of weapon manipulation stuff going on here. It's not a speed drill. Speed will come. This needs to be very smooth, very methodical, and you need to stay in sequence. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Eyes and ears. So all I'm going to do right now is I've got a magazine in my gun, okay, that's got one round in it. One round. Going to lock and load. Guys, I always do a press check. Make sure you got a round in your gun. I'll tell you, the loudest noise you'll ever hear is a click when you thought you were going to hear a bang. All right, so got one round in my M4, empty mag, weapon on safe, pistol, got a full mag, round in the chamber, did my press check. So again, one shot rifle, transition to pistol, reholster, long gun backup, mag change, one round. Should look something like this. All you do is you pick up, here's how you recock. Pick up that empty mag, put it back in the gun, still got a round in the chamber, recock that other mag, put it back in the mag pouch. Got your pistol and try it again. That's it, guys. You can do this over and over and over and over. Again, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. I fumbled a couple times. It's okay. You know, not on the range every freaking day. But that's why you're out here, you know, putting in the time just like the gym. And I like to fumble because it frustrates the shit out of me and I want to do better. So anyway, very simple, very cool transition drill.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.